Hello, good day. Today, under Windows management and configuration, we'll be looking at managing of application. We are going to be managing application. That means we are going to be doing the removing unnecessary program from our system that we don't want. So if we want to do that, on installing unnecessary program, so what do? We'll go to setting by clicking on our here. Then you look at, if you didn't see setting, then you can type setting. You can see after I just put SE and setting comes out, I click on setting. If I click on the setting, then I'm going to click on apps. This is it, apps. You can see it here. Clicked on it. I'll click on it. When I click on app, then I'm going to click on apps and fixtures. This is it here, apps and fixture. That's where you're going to be. On apps and fixture, that is where we have all this here. You can see they are all here. So I can just scroll down and see, okay, maybe program that I didn't need here, then I can uninstall it. So I'm going down to just see something that I'm going to remove that I don't need. Let me go through, look for one of the program I don't need. Yes, I'm going to click on this Cube BitTorrent. Once I clicked on it, you can see when I clicked on it, you can see that I have this option to uninstall. So I'll just click on uninstall and I'll click on uninstall. You can see it's asking me if really I want to take this action. I'll just say yes. And that's it. Click next and you can see remove configuration file, remove everything. If I want to make sure I'm removing everything, I can just check them including cache and everything. I'll just do that and I'll say uninstall. So that's it. Uninstall the file for me. You can see here I have complete. So now I will just click on close. So that means I've uninstalled the program. So this is how you can uninstall an unnecessary app that you don't need. So you can see all my app, they are here. So you can uninstall an unnecessary app. Don't forget to follow. You can see many of these tutorials there. Thank you very much for watching.